fix GTA 5 not working or opening on PS5. So the first thing that you want to do is hover over GTA 5, press the options button on your controller, and here you want to check for update. Now once you have checked for update, again you want to press the options button, and then we will just select restore license. Here you want to click on restore, and this should verify the integrity of your game files for GTA 5. Now once we have done this, I have two more solutions. Go into settings, then here you want to go into system. Now select system software update and settings, and just update your system software using the internet. Now once you have verified this as well, the last thing that I suggest doing is going to be checking your user. So you will have separate users on your PlayStation account. Make sure you are signed into the correct one. So for example, my user here, if I click and switch user, then this account doesn't have GTA 5, but this user has it. So that's what was causing GTA 5 not to work for me. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.